In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an organization chart with pictures in Microsoft Word. Organization charts are a great way to visually show the structure of a team, department, or company, and adding pictures makes it even easier to recognize each person at a glance. To get started, open Microsoft Word and go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. Look for the smartart button and click it. In the smartart gallery, select the Hierarchy category. Here you'll see several layout options for organization charts. Choose the one that best fits your team structure and click OK. Your chart will appear in the document. Next, you can start adding names and roles. Click on a shape in the chart and type the person's name and position. If you need to add more positions, click on an existing shape and use the Add Shape button under the SmartArt Design tab. You can add shapes above, below, or to the side, depending on where the new team member fits in the hierarchy. To add pictures, click on the placeholder icon inside a shape. Word will open a dialog box allowing you to select an image from your computer. Choose the correct photo and insert it. The picture will automatically fit inside the shape, keeping your chart neat and visually appealing. Repeat this process for each person in the chart. You can also customize the appearance of your chart. Use the SmartArt Design and Format tabs to change colors, styles, and layouts. You can adjust the size of shapes, apply effects, and even move positions around if the structure changes. This flexibility helps your chart look professional and keeps it easy to read. As you work, make sure the text is clear and readable and that the photos are consistent in size and style. A well-organized chart with photos not only looks polished, but also helps viewers quickly understand your team's structure. Once you've finished, review your chart to ensure all names, positions, and images are correct. You can save your Word document or copy the chart into other documents, presentations, or reports as needed. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.